How to enter referral codes on Temu app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily enter a referral code on the Temu app. Stick around till the end for a full walkthrough. To start, open the Temu app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once in, you will see various icons at the bottom of the screen. Locate the U icon and tap it to access your personal area. In this section, click on the option of coupon and offers. Clicking here will bring up various options including coupon codes, promo codes, and importantly, referral codes. If you have an unused referral code, simply hit apply next to it. You can also view any used or expired codes in this section for reference. And that's essentially it. You now have learned how to apply referral codes within the Temu app to enjoy some awesome deals. If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like and consider subscribing for more helpful tips. Got any question? Leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching till the end and catch you in the next tutorial.